All right, so there's a few ways that you can create a student housing proposal depending on what you're doing. So the first way I'm going to show you is the more standard way, and then I'm going to give you some workarounds. So you can select your existing prospect or create a new one. And I'll say student housing one, option one, and just click residential. And we'll stay on the cleaning and projects, and you'll say one time, because you'll do that one time when they move out. Add proposal there. So we'll click that. And then you can just go in and click all of the options that you're going to be doing for this particular facility or housing options. And then when you go into task list, when you click here, what will happen is that you can just open up and select all the tasks that you want. You can customize by clicking on the edit pencil, etc. And then you can just go to any type of special projects that you have, and you can add any projects, and this would be like carpet cleaning, window cleaning, etc. Right now, in the price calculator, you'll notice that you have two different options if you don't have any projects, because we don't give you any pricing suggestions, which is step number 2, if you have special projects like window cleaning, carpet cleaning. But if you're just doing the routine cleaning, just the move out cleaning, you can go to here to option 2, fill in the information, and then you can pick things like what type of cleaning that you're doing. In your case, you're going to be doing move out, and this will give you a pricing suggestion if you fill out this form, and it will automatically appear in your proposal. This gives you a good production time. It gives you kind of the over the middle pricing, but it's not as detailed and as accurate if you were going to fill it out here, right? But again, this option will not be available to you if you have special projects. So if I click back here and go to special projects, and we were to add anything like, carpet cleaning, and you can, say they only had it in, carpet in their bedrooms, you can click there, add the project, and then they'll have step-by-step details on what that project is like here. So I'll go ahead and click that. And you can leave it in your proposal by making sure there's a check mark, click the edit pencil to customize it and make it your own. But if you notice that the calculator here only has one option, it's just now where you can fill in how many people are working for you, how much you're paying for them. You can click here and add your payroll taxes, insurance, and overhead. And then down here, you would fill in your pricing, and then you can do your project pricing for your carpet. And it will give, so I'll just put down, I don't know, say $358 for cleaning. And let's say you're going to charge, I don't know, $275 for carpet cleaning. You can just come down here, say $275, enter that information, and we can go over here to finalize the proposal, and we'll click on compensation, and you can just kind of click on these areas and it will jump to it, and you'll see that you have a price for your regular cleaning, $358, and then the hot water extraction, $275. Now, there's another workaround for this that I'm going to show you. Let's say you have a 3-bedroom that you're going to charge $250 for, a 4-bedroom that you're going to charge $500 for, and then you want to price out your carpet cleaning and other things separately, right? So what I would do in that case is I would go back home and I would create a different type of proposal. This is a workaround and shows you the versatility of cleaning proposals. So you'll click on create proposal, add a new prospect, or select an existing one. And by the way, you can create templates for all these, so you don't have to redo them if you want to do it for future projects or use the proposal for future projects. I'll show you that in a moment. So you would create proposal if you wanted to have separate pricing for everything, and you would go to your residential module. So I'll say student housing 2. And we'll go to projects only. Okay, this is going to require some customization, but it gives you a little bit more power. So we'll click on add proposal here. And you're going to go to one-time projects, only one-time projects. You're going to click that. And you can either create a custom project. So each one of these projects would be the type of cleaning you're doing for the size of unit. So let's say you're going to do a move out cleaning for a 3-bedroom, right? Instead of doing a custom project, what I would do is I would come down here and just pick one of these projects. Let's say deep cleaning a restroom, right? And I'll just say the whole building. This will make sense in just a moment. And we'll add that project. I'll change the name of it here by clicking on this edit pencil. So we'll go there and I'll just say, let's call it 3-bedroom. So I renamed it, and then I'm going to click save right here. And then I'm going to open up the project details by clicking this area right here. And what I can do is I can leave it in the proposal by having the check mark there, or I can customize it. So what I would do is I would just go in here and say, you know, things like dust all horizontal surfaces, click save, and then I would go into, like, let's say clean all restrooms, whatever it is that you would say, you know, for your scope. Keep in mind that you can do this once and you don't have to do it again because you can save it as a template. But what I would do from there is I would close this and I would add another project by clicking right here, another one-time project only. So we'll click that and then go down and select, you know, whatever it is that you want, or create a custom project, but it's easier for me to overwrite the projects. And click save, add project, and then you'll click your icon here again and rename it. So then we'll just go in here and we'll call this move out 2-bedroom, right? So we'll go move out to bedroom, and oops, and then we'll click save. And then you go into project details, rewrite that information again. Now, each one of these projects, you can also do something like this here. You can go in here and then, like, let's say you do have window cleaning or hot water carpet extraction. You can do that. And let's just say the hot water extraction, they only have carpet in bedrooms, right? You can do something like that. Add project, change the project details here if you want to. And then when you go back over to the calculator, each one of these prices can be laid out. So let's say you're going to charge, I don't know, $250 for carpet cleaning. So we'll just add the $250 there, and we'll close that. Then we can go down to, say, the 2 bedrooms and say you're going to charge, I don't know, $275 for 2 bedrooms. You can enter that there, and then we'll close that too. And let's say you're going to charge $325 for 3 bedrooms. So we'll just go and click on show project details here, and that'll open up, and then you'll just click on here and add $350. All right, so now that we've got the pricing in there for each one of those, then we'll go on to the next step, which is the finish and win. And when you get there, you can click on compensation, and it will jump directly to that compensation area. You don't have to, expand it. But you'll see that now we have hot water extraction, $250, and then we can scroll down. You've got move out 2 bedrooms, $275, and you've got move out 3 bedrooms, $350, right? So that's a way that you can do it here. And then also, if you want to make a template out of this so you don't have to do it again, but you can just, customize it later, you can go back to edit clients and proposals, look at that prospect that you want to look at. And so let's say you want to do student housing 2, you can go down here and copy this proposal as a template. I think I just made one called move out or student housing. So let me show you. So once you copy it as a template, you would name it. And then if you want to use it again, click on home. When you go to create proposal, select from an existing prospect or choose a new one, and then click on create proposal. And then right here, this is where your templates would be. So then you would just click on your housing and then name it, whatever. And then pick the frequency, add proposal, and then you'll see that you'll have a template that's already created and that you can go and customize it. And so that's how you would use it from there.